Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Trupti and we are here for our morning maths classes. So let's get started. Children, before we start with our today's session, let me tell you, we are going live on YouTube. These sessions, like you can see these sessions live on YouTube. So I would request all of you to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates. Also, there is a chat box under the video which you can choose to, interact with me, to ask your doubts, to give answer to the questions. Kindly make full use of that chat box because using that chat box, you can talk to me, you can give your answer to the question, you can ask your queries. So, yes, that's all I wanted to say. Let's get started. And please focus, right? Okay. So over here, just sharing my screen. All right. So I hope you are able to see my screen. Yeah, it's visible, right? Okay. So let's see what we have. So today we are going to do only one thing. What's that one thing? Is the word problems. So, like what I have observed is most of the students get confused with the word problems. They don't understand which mathematical operation to use in a particular word problem, whether to add, to subtract, to multiply, or to divide. Okay, so moving along with the questions, I'll tell you what to do in a particular word problem. Let's get started. You went to a stationery store and bought 4 pencils and 6 notebooks. Cost of a pencil is rupees 5. This is 5 for per pencil, like each pencil. And cost of notebook is rupees 40 each. How much do you have to pay for these items? So this is a mixed operation question. Mixed operation question means wherein you have to do two operations or maybe more than two. If you see here, we we have bought 4 pencils and 6 notebooks, means more than one. But the cost of only one thing is given to us. So what I have to do here is to get the right answer. I know that one pencil equals 5 rupees, right? This is for per pencil. Okay. And I have purchased 4 pencils. Similarly, one notebook is for 40 rupees. And I have purchased 6 notebooks. Okay. Now you will say 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus like that you will do. That's wrong. Actually, not wrong, but that's time consuming. We are here to do the smart work, not hard work. Yeah, hard work, but a bit of it, but more of smart work. So what I'm going to do, if the cost of one is given, I have to find for many, like I have to find for 4. What I'll do, cost of one times the quantity for which I have to find out. So I got rupees 20 as the answer, just for the cost of 4 pencils. Now, similarly here, one notebook is 40 rupees, so 6 notebooks. So what I'll be doing is 40 times 6 or 6 times 40. That is equal to rupees 240, which is the cost of what? 6 notebooks. Right? Now we know how much we have spent on pencils, 4 pencils, and how much we have spent on 6 notebooks. Let's find out how much we have to pay for these items all together, like total amount that we have to pay. We'll not pay like, okay, so shopkeeper, like this is rupees 20 for pencils and this is 240 rupees for pencils. No, we are not going to do that. So what we are going to do is the 4 pencils that we have purchased and 6 notebooks. that we have purchased. We are going to add the cost. Okay, let's add them. 0, 6, 2. That means 260 rupees is what you have to pay. So the answer is rupees 260 for all these items that you have purchased. Okay, I hope it's clear. Here you have used multiplication first and then addition. Mixed operation, multi-step word problem. Yeah, let's move on to the next question. You went to a vegetable store and bought 3 kilograms of onions, 2 kilograms of potatoes, and 1 kilogram of brinjal. Rate of onion means per kg here we are talking about 30 per kg, and that of potato is 40 per kg, and that of brinjal is rupees 50 per kg. How much do you have to pay for these vegetables? Again, similar, exactly similar to the previous question, just the digits and words are changed. Otherwise, it's exactly same. I'm giving you 2 minutes to give it a try. Come on, do it by yourself. Children, 1 minute more. Okay, I hope it's done. So for 1 kg, it's 30 rupees. So 3 kgs is 3 times 30, which is equal to rupees 90. 1 kg potatoes is 40 rupees. Yeah, so 2 will be 2 times 40, which is equal to 80 rupees. 1 kg brinjal is 50 rupees. So 1 times 50, that is given to us. So no need to do that. So that's 50 rupees. Now we know that onions are for 90. Then potatoes are for 80. Yeah. And brinjal for 50. 0. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. rupees 220. Let's recheck. 9 plus 8, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Rupees 220 is what you have to pay for all these veggies. Okay? Clear? Now, let's do the next one. You went to a restaurant for a breakfast with your family. You have ordered 1 plate of dosa, 2 plates of puri, and 1 plate of chapati, and a water bottle also. The rates are given in the table. This is the menu or the rate card, you can say. Find out the bill you need to pay. 1 plate of dosa, 1 plate of dosa, and just, yeah, 1 plate of dosa. It's there. And then 2 plates of puri, 1 plate of chapati, and 1 water bottle. Okay, 1 water bottle. It's there. Okay. Now, let's see how to do it. 1 plate of dosa is for 60. 2 plates of puri. If 1 plate of puri is for 70 rupees, 2 plates of puri will be 140 rupees. Don't forget to write the units. 1 plate of chapati is 50 rupees. And 1 water bottle is 20 rupees. Okay, so let's add them all. 60 plus 140, chapati is 50 plus 20. Yep, 0. 6 plus 4, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 2, 17, and 2. Rupees 270 is what you have to pay for the things that you have purchased. Clear? All right. Okay. Similar kind of question, but yet different. You went to a vegetable store and bought 2 kilograms of onions, 3 kilograms of potatoes, and 2 kilograms of brinjal. Like till here, it is the same. Now the question is, if you give rupees 600 to pay the bill, how much will you get back? If you have paid 600 to pay the bill, how much will you get back? Like, still, the quantity that you have purchased is different. So don't think that it's equal to the previous one. Please don't think that. Please do it. You have paid 600 rupees. We have added one more operation here. If 2 kilograms of onions we have purchased, that means 2 times 30, which is equal to 60 rupees. If 3 kilograms of potatoes we have purchased, that means 3 times 40, because 1 kilogram is 40 rupees, rupees 120. And 2 kilograms of brinjals if you have purchased. So 2 times 50, which is equal to rupees 100. Now, this is where you have multiplied. Now, let's add them up. Like, what is the total? So, 60 plus 120 plus 100, 0. It's 280. only. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, right. Now you have paid 600 rupees. Obviously, not, you will not say the shopkeeper to keep the change, right? You will take the money back because you have spent only 280 rupees. Now, as he will give you something back, what's that amount that you will get in return? Subtract that. 10 minus 8 is 2 because this 6 became 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 320 rupees you will get back. You will get back 320 rupees. Okay? Because you paid 600. You paid more than what you have spent. So you will get back 320 rupees. Giving you similar question, the same question, amount, like the quantity and the rate could be the different. But you have given 500 to pay here. How much will you get back? Again, mixed operation, multi-step word problem, wherein you have to add, subtract, multiply, or it could be division as well. So you have to see. Okay, so 2 dosa means 2 times 60, which is equal to 120. 2 pohas means 2 times 40, which is equal to 80 rupees for 2 plates of poha. 1 chapati is for 50 rupees. So it's equal to, sorry, it's 1, right? Sorry, it's my bad. You are getting 1 chapati, that's for 50 rupees. So 50 here. 2 water bottles, one is for 20. So 40 here. Let's add them up. 0, 8 plus 2, 10, plus 5, 50, plus 4, 19. 1 plus 1 is 2. You have to pay rupees 290. That's what you have to pay. But you have given 500 note to the shopkeeper. So obviously you have spent 290. How can you give more? So let's take the amount back. 0. This will become 10. This will become 4. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. You will get back rupees 210. Okay. All right. Children, we will do one more question here. And this is the next one. You went to a fruit shop to get some fruits. You want to buy only one variety of fruits. Okay, listen to this question very carefully. It's a little bit different, but very interesting. So, you only want to buy one variety of fruits to distribute to your class uh, on your birthday, and you have rupees 500 only. You need 60 fruits because there are 60 students in the class, let's say. So you need only 60 fruits. Which fruit can you buy? Think about it, then I'll tell you. You just want to buy 60 fruits. Okay. This is the rate of each fruit per fruit. Which one will you buy? You have just 500 rupees. Okay. So here, if you will buy 60 bananas, B means 9 times 60. If you will buy 60 oranges, means 4 times 60. If you'll buy 60 mangoes, 30 times 60. 60 apples, 20 times 60, and 60 guavas, 10 times 60, because the rate of each fruit is given, no? So let's see what we'll get when we multiply. 9 times 60 is rupees 540. 4 times 60, it's 240. For mango, 1800. For like 1800. For apples, 1200. For guavas, 600. So what do you think? Which fruit can you buy if you have just 500 rupees? You can't, obviously, if you have just 500 rupees, you can't pay more than 500. So you have to buy a fruit which is less than 500. That means you can buy 60 fruits for less than 500. So which fruit is that? I don't think it's banana. It's exceeding 500. Not even mango. It's exceeding. Not even apples. That is also exceeding. And guavas are also exceeding. So here I can see that if 60 fruits are to be purchased, then only orange you can buy because that's in your budget. So orange, you can buy 60 oranges for 60 times, because per orange is 4. So 60 times 4 is 240 rupees, which is less than 500. That's in your budget. Okay, so that's the answer. With this, we came to the end of this class. I hope you understood whatever we have done, dear children. Thank you so much for joining the class. I'll see you again super soon in the next class. By the time, keep practicing. Okay, and take care of yourself. Have a good day. Goodbye.